I'm already late. You know what I just realized? These don't match. All this time I thought these matched. First of all, good morning. I'm late. I'm on my way to get my lashes done. My favorite lash tech. Whoa! Just take my glasses off so you can see. She's been doing my lashes since July. And I discovered her through a friend. I put a post up on Instagram and asked if anybody knew any good lash techs in the area. And my friend DM'd me her page. And I realized I knew the girl. So yeah, she went to school with my sister. Her work is bomb. The lash tech I was going to in New York was amazing, but I'm not in New York right now for the time being. So I haven't got my lashes done in like a month. Her prices are between 90 and I think 135, depending on which set you get. I usually get the wispy lashes. That's just the look I like. And my eyes are kind of small, so I like to get, you know, lashes that are different sizes. Oh, she also sells lashes too, strip lashes. I haven't gotten any, but they're on her site. I'm gonna link everything in the description. Everything. Black-owned business, baby. She renovated her studio. I haven't seen it in person. We'll both get to see it. I just finished getting my lashes done. They're super full. I kind of like to get them really full because they last longer. The lengths that I got today were 12, 14, and 16. All right, now I gotta go to work. I'm late. You don't like my lashes?
It looks like you took the mud flaps off of my car.
So this is where I work. Lilly's Soul Food Restaurant and Catering. It's a family-owned business. My Black-owned family business. We've been in business for 32 years. My dad started when he was 21. It began as a catering company, but then evolved into a restaurant. He and my mom have been married for 30 years and have worked together to build a legacy. Our legacy. It's freezing out here. Oh, there goes the poop. We got some packages. I think this is my tripod I ordered from Amazon. Okay. I will say it's packaged very nicely. Oh, this is not my package. This is definitely, I should have read it. Whose package is this? Wait, what? Shoot. This is my sister's. Oops. That's not my tripod. She's gonna kill me. Let's just pretend this didn't happen. This is more like a tripod. Tripod is supposed to be for my iPhone, so I can take selfies, really. There's supposed to be like a Bluetooth remote that comes with this. Okay. Let's see. But you're supposed to just like stick your phone on here some way, somehow. And then one of these. Oh, you get two remotes. I guess if you lose one. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see clearly, but this is how the tripod looks. I turned it this way because I like to take my pictures this way. But yeah, your phone fits right inside, and then you use this remote to take a photo. So yeah, you just use this remote, connect your phone to the Bluetooth, and you take a picture. I got another package from H&M. I don't even remember what I ordered. I have these. I definitely already have these pants. These are nice. Y'all know I love some joggers. These are cute. Look at the strings. So I'm moving out of my apartment in New York. I basically have been moving all my stuff the entire summer. I'm traveling back and forth and like bringing things home. The lease is up in a couple of days, so my dad and I have to go and do a final walkthrough and hand over the keys. All of my stuff that I've been moving back and forth, half of it is in storage and then the other half is here. This is what it's looking like. My stuff is everywhere. So today I'm gonna try to transport the big things into the shed out here. This shed is the same size as my apartment. So yeah, hopefully this is not an all-day affair. Does blowing your tea actually make it cooler? No. So I'm about to head to the restaurant in a little bit. Today's a really big day. The governor is actually coming to the restaurant to talk about the coronavirus and how small businesses have been affected. He's probably gonna talk about the PPP money, and my dad's gonna have words.
First of all, I'd like to thank the governor's office for selecting us as a venue to use for this program, and we're grateful. We have been in this community for over 31 years, and I would say this past 9 months has been the most challenging time that we've seen in all of our years. But thankfully, due to programs that have been in place and our faithful customers, we've learned to do things differently and to accommodate the community in a different way. So we've been blessed to be able to survive so far, and I'm grateful. But thank you again for choosing us as a venue.
Today's moving day. Actually, not really, because all my stuff is already moved out. So today is hand over them keys day. So yeah, I'm happy to be home with my family, but I love New York. But I also know that there are seasons for everything. New York will always be there. I can always move back. But yeah, I'm extremely blessed to have lived there for 4 years and protected by God, and I've had so many opportunities. But anyway, I'm not gonna get deep. I told you I wasn't gonna cry. I'm meeting up with my dad and we're gonna ride together to the city to just do a final walkthrough and then hand over the keys. And then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. We'll probably go shopping first and then go to the apartment. So my dad also owns a women's boutique, and he designs and sells clothes and furs. He's designed a lot of my pieces, so we're probably gonna go to the city to grab a few pieces for the boutique, and then we also have to get our fur coats altered. But yeah, come hang out with us today. We're twins. We're on 36th Street. boutique. This one is rabbit. And then we have a couple of other pieces that are fox. But I love this one. I might have to steal this for myself.
I did lose a few pounds, but when I have a suit on, that's cool. Should we do anything?
Bring in the shoulders a little bit.
You can, yeah. The way you have it pulled now, I feel it.
You feel it, right?
Yeah, I like that.
That's a beautiful coat.
It's a dress,
I wore it on my birthday.
If you close it, does it look? How does it look? On the outside.
Yeah, there's the lashes go down.
What do you think? Is it too much on here? Or is it enough? You like this?
Isn't hook and ring on the edge? On the fox only, I'm talking about.
On the edge of the fox? Is there
Yeah.
one?
I don't know.
Because I'm trying to close the top of it, and it has to go under the clothes, right?
Zips off and becomes a jacket.
Right.
Did you ever wear it?
I took it off once, but then I couldn't figure out how to get it back on.
Oh.
My dad got it back on.
Okay. Yeah.
You know what, guys?
So I'm getting ready to go inside my little apartment, say my last goodbye. So sad. And it is completely empty. Everything's empty. No more furniture. And that's it. This is super bittersweet. I mean, I absolutely love New York. Being home is the best option right now. And eventually, I'll either move back to the city or to some city. My dad's going to get a cut. His beard shaped up. This is his favorite spot in the Heights. And everybody's beeping at us.
I didn't eat nothing all day. I sent pictures to them. Look at me, I'm so cool. Look.